Menteri Katanat Civil Defence and Home Guards uba Comingone Ymbon ha ka arpun reuterik rempang ulapan pau hapo ka ying dorbar tauan ba ka jingtung yaki Home Guards volunteer kadai bet da kamon sngewbha kum ka kynhun voluntary organization bat kimla setia ban kam ne ban dawa na ka benta ban thungkam pura la ne ban penne serta ha ka kam haba jubab ya ka jingkeli bawan ra UMLA ka VPP na nongkrem u arden basayomoy menteri ulaong ba ka jingtung kam kabala ne slam yaki Home Guards volunteer kamla setia ban penne sa hakakam lane ban penyo yaki no ki hong na ka benta ka jing IG shakri ka bashipor ne ka ban ne bat ki kynhun ne ki agency ki bathung yaki nalor kata Ymbon ulaong ru ba Katanat Civil Defence and Home Guards kadetang ka agency jong ki Home Guard volunteer bala penrung na ki agency bapher bat ki bahap hapo ki an ki kendon ki ba ki labu ya ki jing kli na ka benta ki jing siu halor ki jing shakri kata kum katulob bat ki allowance na ka benta ki bakum ki ne ki Home Guards volunteer ka shongbet hakito ki agency ki balong ki nong ai kam na ka benta jong ki ong menteri da ka babenrap ru babaro ki jing trei kam ki bayade bat ki ne ki volunteer kata kum ka jing pensange kam ka jing penne bat ki weipan ka shong pura ha ka jing khmi jong ki to ki agency ki basiu na ka benta jong ki hakajuk kapor menteri ulaong bana kaliang katanan kala persyang ban wat ya kilat kilenti ban khmi hakabayde bat kijing ki baki Home Guards ki akendu
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CN helpline call center.
To the appellant either regularization or service of grant of regular appointment. Hence, no interference is called for against the judgment passed by the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Delhi High Court.
Mrs. Deputy Speaker, sir, I'll just supplement to the reply given by the Honourable Minister. Sir, the concerns of the Honourable Member are genuine, and obviously, sir, as a government, we also are concerned about everybody who obviously, sir, works with us and for us, sir. But as a government, we also have to follow rules and procedures that are set for different employments and different categories that are there, sir. And hence, as per the reply given by the Honourable Minister, these are, sir, totally, these are on daily wage basis, sir. So therefore, it's not that they have to work every day. It depends on the days they work, they will be paid, sir. And so it is, as I said, it is on the basis of the daily wage payments that is made to these particular individuals. And obviously, if somebody is not in a position to work, then they will not be forced to work. But of course, the payment also then will not be made, sir. So therefore, it is up to the individual to work, sir, and not to work.
Yeah, Charles. So, reply to the Honourable Minister, he said that the Home Guards are deployed as per the requirement of the requisitioning agencies. Now, can a system be adopted by the Home Guards Department that when there is a requisition agency who requires, say, 10 numbers of personnel to do duty for them, then can an agreement be made with the requisition agency and the Home Guard that the amount that is to be paid to them should be deposited in the account of the Home Guard, so these personnel who are on duty in the requisition agency can get their salaries on time? That is the question. What is happening today, sir, with the contract basis? You see a lot of contract companies coming up. Now they have their own security system. We have many in Shillong also. Anybody requisitioning personnel from them have to deposit the funds first. So can this system be also adopted by the Home Guards? whereby if I require for my establishment 10 employees and 10 personnel to do duty for my work, then I should be able to deposit the money there as per the rules laid down where they are supposed to be paid X amount of money and this and that. So that way there is no discrepancy in the payment of salaries when the time comes to remuneration.
Sir, I'll just also just again supplement the Honorable Minister that number one, so the delay why it normally happens, again it's more related to finance. So is that there is no provision under the budget for that particular component because the requisition sometimes is made on a basis of need. Like for example, just few months or a year back, there was a need for traffic personnel's, additional people in the traffic department, for Tura town. And so about 300 were requisitioned from Home Guards then. So therefore, at that point in time, the police and the SP did not have any budgetary provision to then give the funds from that, or they didn't have the additional funds that time. So they require the permission of planning and finance to then make the necessary provisions either through RA or through SD or through contingency. So therefore, these provisions take time. And therefore, sir, the suggestion given by Honorable Member from Nongthamai, we can definitely examine the aspect, but as I said, sir, this procedural aspect is there, but we, time and again, we try to ensure that the delay is not done and we try to clear things in advance. But definitely suggestion given by Honorable Member can be examined, sir.
Sir, I thank the Honorable Chief Minister for his reply. The question is not whether, it's not regarding the government agency, I mean the Home Guards doing duty for the police, or that is not the question, that is okay. That we know the Home Guards will, department will cover. I'm talking with the requisition agencies who are not the government, like the power grid,
By
like
private
NIPCO.
agency.
Huh?
By private agency.
Private agencies, that's right. Whether they are not doing that, sir, they are not paying in time.
Regarding these private agencies and all, they pay regularly for the Home Guard volunteers.
So another suggestion to the Honorable Minister. As per the question, some of them have served more than 10 years. So sir, is there any program by the government to have this kind of security cover? For example, this group insurance can be done so that as and when they fall ill or maybe lost their lives also, sir, the family will not be put into a problem. So sir, I'll just make a suggestion. For example, now if you can have some kind of for the example, the LIC has this group insurance, the premium is very nominal. So we may suggest, sir, to look into this factor so that if they serve after 10, 15 years, at least they know there is some security for them so that, financial security that can be, can take
Kindly
care of.
put the direct question.
Pardon, sir?
Kindly put the direct question.
No, a suggestion, sir. So will the government look into this, sir? So I'm putting that question, sir.
Sir, we'll examine this matter, sir.
So I beg to differ with what the Honorable Chief Minister has said, that the engagement of these Home Guards, not all of them are deployed on a daily basis, like NEGRIMS, MECCL. So these are the agency which fail to pay to these Home Guards in time, and which is why I'm asking this question, whether the government can take up this matter. Maybe since they don't have any facilities, as you've said, it is not a daily basis, sir. That is my clarification, sir.
So we'll take up with these agencies, we'll speak to them and see what can be done, sir.
Albert, you want to put any of that?
Yes, sir. I do want to participate because I've seen my question will not be able to come out. Sir, okay, let me come straight to the point. Since we are discussing about the private agency, now let me come straight to the government. Why? There are some disparity among the employee who had been deployed as traffic personnel. You see these traffic, from the Home Guard, they had extended very positive work, that I could say, because at this very point of time, the traffic congestion is very
So what is your question?
Yeah.
Please put
Yes,
directly.
I'll come. So that will make easy for the minister concerned to answer my question. So I would like to put a question to Honorable Minister. Whether these employee which had been deployed in a police traffic personnel, they also are been facing the problem. They never got a regular salary as well their facilities. Is it true, sir, with that?
Sir, Deputy Speaker, sir, this is not true. We trying to pay them regularly. We will take up with the police traffic also if such a payment is delayed. As of now, I think all the allowances and all the salaries paying regularly.
Are you sure, 100%?
Yes, sure.